Hello once again, dear viewers. You're watching ERi-TV. Welcome to our news broadcast. Here are the headlines. Social services boost livelihoods in Glip Subzone. Mandafara Subzone holds local elections. Russia will work with China to develop artificial intelligence. And China experiences hottest year on record in 2024. Welcome back in our domestic news. Social service institutions established in the Glip Subzone has been reported that are significantly enhancing the quality of life for residents. Mr. Fatwi Gabra Mescal, administrator of the Glip Subzone, stated that the village regrouping initiative has allowed more residents to access essential services, including health, education, potable water supply and mobile telephone services. Mr. Fatwi reported that 9 of the 11 administrative areas in the subzone now have access to potable water supply, with ongoing efforts to extend the services to remaining areas. Educational facilities in the subzone include 36 schools ranging from pre-primary to high school, and an active illiteracy eradication program is underway. In terms of healthcare, the subzone boasts 1 health center and 3 health stations providing services to the population. Looking ahead, Mr. Fatwi emphasized that key programs for 2025 will include water and soil conservation, improved water management and income-generating initiatives. Elections for area administrators, managing directors and village coordinators were successfully conducted in the 15 administrative areas of the Mandafara subzone. Held between 18 and 29 December, the elections aimed to replace outgoing officials who had completed their 3-year term and to provide efficient and timely administrative services to the public. A total of 30 individuals, including 11 women, were elected as area administrators and managing directors, as well as 23 village coordinators. Mr. Hizkias Uhabat, administrator of the Mandafara subzone, commended the strong public participation in the elections process and noted that pre-election campaigns were concluded to raise awareness and encourage residents to elect trustworthy representatives. Ms. Hizkias urged the newly elected officials to serve their communities diligently and uphold the trust placed in them. The newly elected officials expressed their commitment to fulfill their responsibilities with dedication and to address the needs of their constituents. Significant progress has been made in expanding social service institutions in the Glip subzone, according to Mr. Osman Adam, administrator of the subzone. Mr. Osman reported that the number of educational facilities in the subzone has grown from 2 before independence to 47 currently. Progress has also been achieved in healthcare and potable water supply provisions. Health facilities in the Mihlab, Glip, Mazabit, Galub, Marat and Zien are providing efficient health services to the public. The 45-kilometer road connecting Af'abad to Glip is undergoing renovation, driven by community initiatives. Mobile telephone services are now widely available, and solar energy systems have been installed for street lighting. Additionally, dams constructed in 2024 in Marat and Mazabit are helping address potable water supply shortages for both residents and livestock. The dams are also aiding the development of irrigation farming in the area. The Glip subzone, located 60 kilometers north of Karan, comprises 11 administrative areas and is home to more than 63,000 residents. That was our domestic news. Please stay tuned for the international news right after the short break. Russian President Vladimir Putin said that Russia will team up with China to further develop artificial intelligence. The partnership aims to work with China's AI expertise, which is recognized as being among the world's most advanced. China has rapidly implemented AI across various of its sectors, including manufacturing, healthcare, and transportation, and leads in AI patent applications, particularly in generative AI technologies. The Russian president also noted that a substantial amount of budget has been allocated for the development of AI, which promises to show positive results in the nearest future. China-Russia relations is deepening in the domains of economy, diplomacy, security, and defense, according to further reports. China experienced its warmest on record in 2024, a new high since comparable temperature recordings began more than 60 years ago, the country's meteorological service has said. The average national temperature for 2024 was 10.92 degrees Celsius, 1.3 degrees higher than 2023, and the warmest year since the start of full records in 1961. The China Meteorological Administration said on its news site yesterday night. The top 4 warmest years ever were the past 4 years, with the all top 10 warmest years since 1961 occurring in the 21st century, the administration has said. As a result, last year alone, climate-related disasters has recorded an increase from the years before in China. In 2024, climate-related natural disasters caused an estimated $310 billion in economic losses worldwide. Egypt announced yesterday that the country received a record high of about 16 million tourists in 2024, stating that the number of tourists visiting Egypt has shown an increase of 1 million from 2023. The Egyptian Minister of Tourism expressed his hope that Egypt will achieve the target number of 30 million tourists in 2030. The number of tourists in Egypt significantly dropped in 2020 due to the COVID-19 pandemic, but gradually recovered in the years that followed. Reports from the Egyptian Tourist Ministry has also stated. The tourism sector covers 12% of the total GDP of the country and creates job opportunities for an estimated 3 million people. Those are international news. Please stay tuned now for the recap of tonight's headlines. Social services boost livelihoods in Glip Subzone. Mandafara Subzone holds local elections. Russia will work with China to develop artificial intelligence. China experiences hottest year on record in 2024. And that was our news for tonight, dear viewers. It is good night from us.